feel fresh. I think. This belly button.
You remember, huh?
Yeah. Cut it all the way around this way because there's a pee-pee in there somewhere. You can't bust that. I got it all out of there. Yeah, I think it's out of there. There, it's all done.
Then you gotta freeze it? Do you need some more napkins?
I don't want to freeze it because he's got to put that water in here too. One more duck. They usually cook 2 ducks. So one more is going to be waiting. Okay, now. We'll just put him here.
Need some more?
Yeah, I'll put some more in there because the blood's going to come out. There, that's it.
Oh, okay.
Let's try open this. He's got to cinch that one more time if he wants to. That's why I'm using it for him. You should have seen how I cleaned it. Look at that, let me eat a sheet here. I'll put it on the wings.
One?
Doesn't matter.
Oh.
Just so I like those feathers there. This is done.
I'm gonna wipe up your hands too.
Yeah, this is done. That's it. Put it in the bottom, leave it cool off. Yeah. And this is the guts that's going in the garbage with those feathers. No, I'm not going to do myself tomorrow evening.